welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing good. So in today's video, I'm gonna review the very hyped product. That claims that it gives you the crystal clear skin. So yeah, I'm talking about this product from L'Oreal. So this is their Revital Lift Crystal Micro Essence. So which claims a really lot of things. So let's see that it does what it claims or not. Also letting you one thing very clear that I am putting my final verdict after using this product for more than 8 to 9 days. I guess this is my 10th day. So that too very religiously. I am using this one like day and night both of the times so that I can give my honest review. I can share my honest experience with you guys. So yeah, because I really don't believe in the first impression things when it comes to skincare or any face products because result may vary. So yeah, let's get into the video. So let's start by talking about its packaging, guys. So it really comes in very chic packaging. It comes in this frosty kind of material with this silver cap, and also this product is available in 3 different sizes. I will link everything in this video, and if you can't find in this video, you will definitely can find in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Talk about its texture, guys. Its texture is very similar to water. It's ultra lightweight. I think that's the reason that it gets quickly absorbed into your skin, and I'm definitely in love with this its texture because it takes no time to get absorbed into your skin. So yeah, definitely a plus point for it. Let's move on what it claims. So first thing it claims is that it will penetrate to the 10 layers of your skin. Like I can see the revolution of skincare, I can see the future of skincare. Like if any product is really penetrating deep into your skin, then it will definitely gonna show you the more effective results, and you can see them visibly. And second thing that it claims that it will provide you most hydrating and youthful skin, very radiant skin, and also it claims that it will provide you that crystal clear skin. Now let's talk about its key ingredient. It has 2 key ingredients. So first one is salicylic acid and second one is Centella asiatica. So let's talk about the salicylic acid. So salicylic acid is a well-known mind exfoliator, and also it is a brightening ingredient. It does provide hydrating properties, and also it removes the dead cells from your skin and accelerates cell renewal process. Not only this, salicylic acid also helps to cleanse your pores and refine your skin texture. So yeah. Now let's talk about the second key ingredient, which is Centella asiatica. So it is also known as Brahmi, and it has made casicide, which has antioxidant properties. It is well known for its healing properties. It smooths out the fine lines and wrinkles, it boosts elasticity, it deeply repairs your skin, and let me tell you guys that it is the key ingredient of Korean skincare. In numerous Korean moisturizers, this has been found, which is also known as Cica creams. Not only this, it will strengthen your skin, it will improve your blood circulation, and it has hydrating and soothing properties at the same time. Okay guys, so it's time for my final verdict. So I'm going to share you my honest experience. Just after the application, you will gonna see the glow visibly on your face. It will hydrate your face and it will make you feel more refreshing, as it has many ingredients which has great hydrating properties, I can say. And moving on, it is great for oily skin people. It is suitable for every skin type, but it's a plus thing for oily skin people because then it will save you from all the greasiness and oiliness you get from the moisturizers or moisturizing creams. And it is a plus thing for this India's humid weather. And for dry skin people, I would, if you still feel any sort of dryness even after applying this, you can top it off with moisturizer, as moisturizing is the last step of skincare to lock every goodness into your skin. I would like to include more points in this, that it has not shown me any sort of brightening effect on my face, but I'm kind of okay with it because it has definitely provided me glow, it has provided me hydration, and also it has improved my skin texture. So I would recommend you guys that you can go for this one. And if you ask me about the side effects, fortunately this has not given me even a single side effect. Not even a bump, not redness, not any kind of pimple. So I'm very fortunate for that. So yeah. So if you want a glow or hydrating thing on your face, or you want your texture to be improved, you can definitely go for this one, and you can try out this. So yeah, I would recommend you to try out this, guys, if you want glow, if you want hydration, and if you want to improve the texture of your skin. But I would suggest you that go for a smaller one like this bottle. I don't want your money to waste on bigger bottle. I mean, try it out, do a patch test. If it's working for you, then go for a bigger one, and if it's not, then आपका पैसा बच जाएगा. So second thing I would like to include that I have nothing bad to say about this product. So definitely you can try out this one, but as I told you, do a patch test and then go ahead. Very easy to apply it. You just have to wash or cleanse your face, and you have to take 4 to 5 drops according to your face size, I would say, and then you have to rub slowly. Don't rub it very harshly, or else it will get absorbed into your palm only and you will get nothing to apply on your face, and ऐसे में आपका product waste होगा. And start applying from the forehead in dabbing motion. Dab it nicely and slowly, and then come to your cheeks, and then apply your nose, and then end it to your chin. But still, I would suggest you pro tip, guys, you can say that whatever product you are using on your face, take it down to your neck. Apply it on your neck, because neck and hands are the first thing to show the sign of aging, and you don't want that. So yeah, whatever you're applying on your face, take it down till here and apply it on your neck. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful and informative, and my review has helped you. And also I want to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching me, and if you have not subscribed me yet, do subscribe my channel, and also press that notification bell icon, so every time I will come up with the new content, you guys will get a notification. And till then, stay positive, stay safe, and stay at home. Every time